Every single day, millions of Americans buy, sell, trade, and finance cars. The US auto industry moves over $1.2 trillion every year. And here's the thing most people don't realize you don't need a dealership, a massive lot, or $1 million investment to get a piece of that. You just need the right knowledge, the right steps, and the willingness to take action. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to start and grow a profitable car business, step by step, whether you're starting from zero or looking to scale what you already have. Let's get into it. The very first step is knowing which type of car business you want to run, because they're not all the same. Here are the 4 most popular models. Number 1, retail flipping. You buy used cars at a low price, fix them up if needed, and sell them for a profit. This is the most common starting point because you can begin with as little as $2,000 to $5,000. Number 2, wholesale dealing. You buy cars in bulk from auctions or dealers and resell them to other dealers. Lower profit per car, but higher volume and faster turnover. Number 3, car rental or subscription. You own a fleet of vehicles and rent them out daily or monthly. Platforms like Turo make this easier than ever. Many people are generating $3,000 to $5,000 per month with just 2 or 3 cars. Number 4, auto brokering. You don't own any cars. Instead, you help buyers find the right vehicle and charge a fee for your service. Low overhead, low risk, and completely scalable. Pick one model to start. Don't try to do everything at once. Master one lane first. If you plan to buy and sell more than a handful of cars per year, you need a dealer's license, and this is where most beginners get stuck. Here's how it works, step by step. First, check your state's DMV website. Every state has different rules. In Texas, for example, you need to sell at least 5 cars per year to require a license. In California, it's 3 or more. Know your state's threshold. Second, complete a pre-licensing course. Most states require it. It typically takes 1 to 2 days and costs between $100 and $400. Third, get a surety bond. This is a type of insurance that protects your customers. Costs range from $100 to $500 per year depending on your state. Fourth, set up a business location. You'll need a physical lot or office address that meets your state's zoning requirements. Fifth, submit your application and pay the licensing fee, which is usually between $200 and $700. The entire process typically takes 2 to 6 weeks. It's not complicated, it just requires follow-through. Your profit in the car business is made when you buy, not when sell. So sourcing inventory at the right price is everything. Here are the top sources used by real dealers. Auctions, your best friend. ADESA and Mannheim are the 2 biggest wholesale auto auctions in the country. With a dealer's license, you get access to thousands of vehicles every week at prices the public never sees. Many dealers buy cars 20 to 40% below retail here. Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Private sellers often price their cars below market because they want a quick sale. Drive the car, check the history report, and if the numbers work, buy it. Dealer-to-dealer trades. Once you build relationships with other dealers, you can buy and trade inventory directly. No auction fee.